Tell me a story.
It's so star. How I wonder how I'm Double snowman and the goodies.
Sure.
I read it. My shirt.
Tell me the story.
I can't right now. I have a stomach. Good stomach. I hear my.
Now can you tell me the story?
I can't now. Twinkle little stars. Once upon a time, there was the little snowman named Annie Chili. And he said, I'm going to go meet my friends, a whole bunch of them. And he was penguin. And he's going home. I don't care why I'm penguin. I do. I don't want to go to penguin stories. I do. He waked up in the cave, so bear in it. And he said, I want to go out this bear cave. Hee-haw. Who's that? Crying in that book? That's once upon a time there was a little mouse named Chili and Mom.
You never said the end.
The end.
Is that the end of the story?